That is crazy, dude.
He's in full clothes under the sheet. I don't know what we're going to do. Okay, so we are about to play soccer to warm ourselves up. Last resort is to go into the car, this Valentine decoration, to go into the car, turn it on in the garage with the garage door open, and experience heat. Are y'all ready?
Wait, nope.
You setting up the goal?
Yeah, I have to.
That's out.
No.
Why is he wearing those amazing shoes?
I don't know.
Exactly, though. Like, he has great taste in shoes, but not that good.
All right, we're about to play a board game in the car. Let's get some warmth for a little bit and then go back inside. Give her that timer. Quit making her upset like that. Dad's right here.
Okay, this worked out. But we only have 3. 15 minutes.
My husband's trying to figure out how to start a fireplace, which we've never done. Okay, figured it out. Turn it down. Now you gotta go find the smoke detector.
Easy, rub 2 sticks together.
He said rub 2 sticks together.
Not that hard.
A little bit lower. Right there. But it is a little smoke.
Yeah, I almost caught myself on fire.
Does not empty out before we get there, and that we find the right key, and that we make it there safely, and that we don't get hurt. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Yesterday, and yeah, so I think we're through the worst of it.
So we stayed the night at a friend's. We are now in Target, and I want you to notice, see all those people standing? The line is wrapped from the front register around past grocery, past the seasonal section, wrapping back past electronics, and ending at the front of the store. We will probably be here 2 hours trying to check out and hoping their power does not go out. I need people to see your necessities. I need people to see that chips and bubbly is
good.
You're good? You can make it 2 more days.
3 if I need to.
Oh. What about our 3 children? Hey y'all, we're still here. Now we are texting everybody we know to collect items for them. We just left Target, and we were in Target for how long? An hour and a half?
Hour and a half.
At least.
And we were in line from the beginning.
God is faithful. He is so faithful. We got everything we needed. We didn't get as much for the people we're about to host at the church. We wish we could have, but it's just not going to be cute. It's just going to have to be whatever we have there. Okay, this is day 3 of the no electricity adventure, and we're about to go home for the first time in a few days. We heard our electricity is back on from a neighbor. Giving honor to God, who is the head of my life, for bringing my electricity back on. Oh, thank you.
Look at this! Look at this! Somebody go speed! Yeah. Somebody go to sled! I will. Are you serious?
Come here. Josiah, come here.
Yeah, that's why I came over here.